The wealthiest people in the world are not only known for their ability to make money, they also know how to invest it in ways that can redefine industries, create new markets, and even shape the future of the planet. While many people invest in stocks or real estate, the ultra-rich often make bold, high-risk investments that leave the rest of us in awe. These investments are not just about making money, they're about creating legacies, influencing society, and betting on the future in ways most people can only dream of. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most insane investments made by the wealthiest individuals in the world. These are moves that turned heads, created massive wealth, and in some cases, completely changed the course of history. Let's explore how billionaires like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Warren Buffett are making some of the most daring and visionary investments in modern history. Jeff Bezos in Amazon's early days. When Jeff Bezos founded Amazon in 1994, it was little more than an online bookstore. But Bezos had a vision for the future of e-commerce, and his belief in the internet's potential was unwavering. In the early days, Amazon was burning through cash and operating at a loss. Many questioned whether Bezos could make Amazon profitable, and some even thought the company would go under. However, Bezos saw the long-term potential of e-commerce and made an insane investment in building Amazon into what it is today, one of the most valuable companies in the world. Bezos reinvested Amazon's profits into new ventures such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Prime Video, and Amazon Studios, propelling the company into nearly every sector imaginable. The move to focus on logistics, fulfillment centers, and cloud computing proved to be one of the most lucrative decisions of his career. Today, Bezos is one of the richest men on the planet, and Amazon is not just a retail giant. It's a tech powerhouse that controls everything from artificial intelligence to space exploration through his space company, Blue Origin. Bezos' willingness to pour everything into his vision for Amazon has paid off in ways few could have predicted. Elon Musk and Tesla. Elon Musk is known for his bold, risky decisions, and his investment in Tesla is no exception. While many saw the electric car market as a niche and unprofitable industry, Musk saw it as the future of transportation. In 2004, he invested $6.5 million into Tesla, a company founded by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, and took on the role of chairman of the board. At the time, Tesla was far from the company we know today. It had no mass-market vehicles, and electric cars were considered impractical and undesirable by most. Musk's insane investment wasn't just about the money. He put his own reputation and career on the line, spending years pushing the company to develop innovative technologies and mass-produce electric cars that people would actually want to buy. In 2008, Tesla released its first Roadster, which could travel over 200 miles on a single charge. An incredible achievement for its time, but Musk didn't stop there. He continued to pump his own money into Tesla during the darkest days, when the company was on the brink of bankruptcy. Today, Tesla is worth over $800 billion, and Musk's stake in the company has made him one of the richest men in the world. Tesla's success has revolutionized the electric vehicle market, and Musk's insane investment in the company has also led to innovations in solar power, autonomous driving, and energy storage. Mark Zuckerberg's $1 billion investment in Instagram. When Mark Zuckerberg decided to acquire Instagram for $1 billion in 2012, many in the tech world questioned his decision. At the time, Instagram had only around 30 million users, and many thought Zuckerberg was overpaying for a relatively small app. Facebook was already the dominant social media platform, so some thought Instagram was just a passing trend. However, Zuckerberg saw the potential of Instagram as a photo-sharing platform with massive growth potential. By acquiring Instagram, he gained access to a younger, highly engaged user base, which helped Facebook remain relevant as it faced increasing competition from platforms like Twitter and Snapchat. The decision to acquire Instagram turned out to be one of the most genius moves in tech history. Today, Instagram boasts over 1 billion active users and generates billions in advertising revenue for Facebook, now Meta. The $1 billion acquisition has paid off exponentially, with Instagram becoming a key driver of Meta's success and an integral part of the social media ecosystem. Zuckerberg's willingness to make such an insane investment in a relatively small company has proven to be a game changer for both him and the social media landscape. Warren Buffett's $1 billion investment in Coca-Cola. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, is known for his conservative long-term approach to investing, but one of his most famous, and arguably most insane, investments was in Coca-Cola. In 1988, Buffett made a $1 billion investment in Coca-Cola, purchasing a 7% stake in the company. At the time, Coca-Cola was already a well-established global brand, but the beverage giant's stock was undervalued. According to Buffett's analysis, Buffett has always been a believer in the power of strong brands and predictable cash flows, and Coca-Cola fit the bill perfectly. Over the years, his investment in the company has turned into one of the most profitable deals in his career. Today, Coca-Cola is worth over $200 billion, and Buffett's stake in the company has grown substantially in value. The insane part of this investment is that Buffett was willing to place such a large bet on a single company, betting on its ability to remain a dominant player in the global market for decades to come. His faith in Coca-Cola's brand and management has paid off, making this one of the most successful investments in history. Bill Gates and his investment in water purification. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, has made countless successful investments in the tech sector, but one of his most unique and insane investments is in water purification. Through his charitable foundation, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Gates has invested millions of dollars into the development of innovative technologies that can purify water for people in developing countries. In 2015, Gates made headlines when he drank water that had been purified using one of the technologies developed by the foundation. Water that had been cleaned by a machine that turns human waste into clean water. The investment was controversial and met with skepticism by some, but Gates believed that solving the global water crisis could have a profound impact on public health and the environment. Today, Gates has poured over $1 billion into improving access to clean water and sanitation in developing nations. His investment in water purification is not just about profit, it's about making a meaningful difference in the world, particularly in places where clean water is scarce. Richard Branson and Virgin Galactic. Richard Branson's insane investment in Virgin Galactic is one of the most ambitious bets on the future of space travel. In 2004, Branson founded Virgin Galactic with the aim of making space tourism a reality. At the time, space tourism was nothing more than a pipe dream, and Branson was investing in an industry that many thought was decades away from becoming viable. Branson invested hundreds of millions of dollars into developing commercial spacecraft, working alongside aerospace engineers and rocket scientists to build the technology that would allow regular people to take a trip to space. In 2021, Branson himself became one of the first passengers aboard the Virgin Galactic spacecraft, signaling that the company was on the verge of offering suborbital space tourism. While the market for space tourism is still in its early stages, Branson's investment has put Virgin Galactic in a position to capitalize on the growing interest in commercial space travel. Branson's insane bet on space tourism could ultimately transform the way we think about travel and open up new opportunities for people to explore beyond the Earth's atmosphere. The wealthiest people in the world have made some of the most insane and visionary investments in history. From Jeff Bezos' early bet on Amazon to Elon Musk's risk-taking with Tesla. These billionaires are not afraid to take huge risks with their money in the hopes of creating something world-changing. Their investments are not only lucrative, but have also reshaped entire industries, from tech and space exploration to social media and clean energy. These moves show that success often comes from thinking big, taking risks, and investing in the future. Whether it's reshaping global industries, tackling complex societal challenges, or pushing the boundaries of what's possible, the wealthiest people are leading the charge with their daring investments. If you found this look into the insane investments made by the world's wealthiest people interesting, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on the high-stakes world of billionaires and their game-changing moves.